another question for you, Miss Kim. From Push ABS-CBN. Naka 13 questions na ba? 12 pa lang 12. How did you feel that you weren't just able to help yourself achieve success and abundance, but also your family along the way?
Na-achieve yung success, siguro, hindi naman, paano ba na-achieve yung success? Binibigay naman sa'yo yung isang bagay, hindi mo naman alam kung magiging successful ka or hindi. Parang gano'n naman yun. Nasa work ethics mo and nasa pagiging responsable mo on how you will, paano mo papaluguin yung proyektong nabibigay sa'yo or yung blessings na bibigay sa'yo. Parang nasa sarili mo na yun kung magtatrabaho kang maigi, magiging grateful ka sa paligid mo, and then pagbubutihan mo yung work mo. Then, yung success is just the outcome of your how you work and how you handle yung binigay sa'yo. Hirapan ako, no? Pero success kasi is the result na of your hard work. Kim Chu Cebu.
In our card. Pero, eto another